Joining me. So today it's a really nice day so far. So what I'm going to be doing is changing the tension rods on my 300ZX. Now I've just noticed the original ones are pretty damn big compared. The length is fine, but it's the joint which I'm a bit worried about. A bit skeptical, but anyway, I'm going to do it anyway. So this is how you change them. Alright, so as you can see, there's the original. And it goes to there. I've put some penetration fluid on them so I can get the bolts on quite easy. As you can tell, this one is absolutely destroyed. So all we're going to do is take these bolts off, those two, well it's underneath, and then it should slide right off, and I can put the other one on. So far I've got one of the, can't get it focused, one of the nuts out. You can see it's lifted up slightly. It's a 17 fitting. I'm just trying to find this one there. So I've managed to loosen this up quite a bit. Now I'm doing it with the wheel on because I can't be bothered to take the wheel off. It is the worst idea I have ever had because I am limited for space. I might have to take the wheel off to get that one because I need quite a long breaker bar, which I have got, but there don't seem to be any room, so I might have to take the wheel off. I'll try and do it without, but we'll see. The nuts are really strange actually. Yeah, I've never seen them before. I don't know what they're for, probably for more grip or something, but yeah, so hopefully I'll be able to take that off in a sec. I've lifted this side up. Let me just show you how much play is in it. Let me just swap hands. Okay, so if I wobble it, that is how much play was in them. The knackered, you know, the bushes are knackered. You can see the oil coming out of them. So I'm pretty happy that I am putting these on bushless. I just want to show you how I've managed to do this. Okay, so it started moving very, very tight. I've had to extend it. And basically, to get the bulb rolling with it, I've had to kind of like prop it up like that, put a big breaker bar through here onto the anti-roll bar, and pull on it, you know, so it's you get like maximum force out of it. So that's how I've got it moving. I've got the other bolt out, so I'll be very shortly installing the new one. This is the extremely long bolt what I've just tried taking off. As you can see, it's no longer in there. Now to get it out, all you have to do is that, and it comes out. Okay, so this is the original. As you can see, it's leaking really, really badly. Now the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to measure, because as you can see, if I put them together, this is slightly longer. Alright, so what I'm going to do is, because this is adjustable, adjust it so they're more or less the same. Oh, actually no. If I put them like that, they are very much the same. This will only be a rough thing because obviously you need it tracked and everything properly. So this will only be for now, but I do need to make slight adjustments. And then I'll put it back on. Obviously it's just the same as taking off, it's just reversal. So yeah, I'm excited. Right, so now it's all secured, it's all on. Obviously I need to test it on the road, see what it's like, but obviously there it is. So just remember guys, all it is that bolt there. It's got a nut on the end of it, so you have to like hold one side and then do the other. It's just two nuts under there. You can see it, I don't know if you can. Yeah. So that's all it is. And then you get left with a big one, which is a lot heavier. It's disgusting. yeah. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. It hasn't been the best, you know, but it is what it is. This is what we've got to do with these old Japanese cars. Got plenty more videos to come. I've bought some dump valves, so that's because somebody commented that they wanted to see me with dump valves in a tunnel. So I'll be putting them on. I'll probably show you how to do that if I can do it myself. So yeah, I hope this has helped. Obviously, I think you can do this on the 300, the Skyline, and the 200 SX. I think it's the same component. I think it works the exact same. So guys, thanks for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe for more, like, etc., and share. You know, let's get it out there. All right, thank you guys.